Hi everyone, I welcome you to the presentation of this lecture stated constructing a parabola by rectangular method. Okay, before watching this video, I would urge you to watch the previous video on constructing an ellipse. Okay, so in constructing a parabola by rectangular method, the first step is to draw a rectangle of given dimensions, but for this one you can just use any dimensions. You have a rectangle like that as the first step. Then the second step is you divide half of the vertical plane into the same number of divisions as the horizontal. So the vertical plane should be divided into same number of divisions as the horizontal. Okay, so for this one I chose to divide it into 5 equal parts. So it means even that plane should be divided into 5 equal parts. So if from here to there it's 10 millimeters, you can make divisions of 2 millimeters each, so you end up having those. Okay, upon doing that you go to step number 3. Okay, so those are the divisions, 5 of them. And then we go to step number 3, which is saying throw horizontal points to point X as shown. So you start throwing them like this. So this point goes to that point, that's a point X. These two also go straight to there. You do everything until the 5th one. So this one goes there, that one, that one. The 5th one is already there. This point is what we are calling point X. Okay, and then you start intersecting them now. Where this one goes and this one meet, like that, you press a dot. So you start with the first one, which is that one there. Okay, then you consider the intersection of this one going there and the one coming from down. The intersection is at that point. Okay, the two which is going this side and the two which is going up there, they are meeting at that point. So you do the same for all the points. You have that. So this is half the parabola from this if you are to join these. Okay, so for the full one you do the same even on the other side, just like you did on the left, and then you produce your parabola like that. So that was the half one. If you had to put dots even on the other side here, a full parabola would come like that. Okay, then you have a task. The figure below shows the upper half of the section of a small headlamp. The casing is in the form of a semi-ellipse. F is the focal point. Okay, the reflector section is in the form of a parabola. So draw full size the complete semi-ellipse, as well as draw to full size the complete parabola inside the semi-ellipse. That's why I suggested that you watch a presentation on the ellipse. That's when you can answer this task. Okay, so you've got this casing, which is a semi-ellipse, and you've got a reflector in here, which is a parabola. All the dimensions have been given. I would urge you try this as an exercise. Thank you for watching.